This is how to give organic vaccination. Today is the first day of our organic vaccination. Watch, you can see this is the, as I told you, this is number one. This is day one. You can see this is day one. I've seen it. This is day one. This is the combo here. This organic combination is made up of a lot of herbal ingredients, which includes onion peas, guava leaf, garlic, ginger, and turmeric. You can see them here, and aloe vera. You can see it here. This is day one. This is day one. Watch the step till the end. Now I'm going to open it and pour, and then add water, then give it to the birds to take. This is purely organic vaccination. Watch till the end. Let me open it now, right away. Make sure you shake it first. See it? See, this is day one. Cover it. Then add water. That will be enough for them. Allow it for 5 minutes before you dish out. Don't just give them immediately you add water. You can see this is the one they can finish in short period of time. This is about 3 liters here, 3 liters of water to 1 liter of the organic extra. You can see the one. You're seeing it here. This is the one. It's going to be a 4 consecutive days vaccination. This will going to help to boost the immunity. You can see it. Allow it for 5 minutes. Then you now give it out to them. You can see it. Now you cover and give out to the birds. See them rushing it now. You can see them rushing the organic vaccination. They are rushing it right away. Remember that after preparing this organic vaccine, it was not given on that first day. It was left to ferment for some days. It was not given on that first day. These birds are just 1 week. 1 week. See the quantity. See the quantity. Please make sure you don't give them too much. Add water that they can finish at least under 1 to 2 hours. This is organic. It doesn't have any side effects, please. And make sure you allow them to be tasty for some time. These birds are purely on organic. This medication is not only meant for chicken alone. This organic vaccine is not only meant for chicken. You can give it to other, even domestic animals, even cats, dog, and other poultry birds, including layers also. To boost the immunity and at the same time prevent them from having any infection. You can see that they are rushing it. You can see the size of these birds because they are organic medication. You can see how they are growing. This is 1 week birds. These are purely male lines. For organic vaccination, you don't even need to remove their food. Just serve them food without water for some time, then you give the organic vaccine. You can see these ones are not eating and they're not drinking. So they will still come back and rush. They are the type that doesn't like rushing. So you have to monitor those ones. Make sure that they later drink it. Because if they don't drink it, those ones will die after some time. Because if any infection comes, it will catch them. So that's why it's always necessary for you to monitor them during vaccination. Make sure that all of them are drinking it. This is purely organic vaccination. You can see it's not synthetic. It is made up of herbs and extracts. And remember the day we prepared the vaccine was not the same day we gave it. It was allowed to ferment for some days, up to 4 to 5 days before you now give it out again. The fermentation process helps to add other chemical and phytochemical nutrients to the organic vaccine to help to boost the immunity and activate the beneficial microbes that will fight against the harmful microorganisms that causes infections in poultry. You can see that the rush is subsidizing now. They're not rushing like before. Once they drink it, up to even if 5 to 10 sips, it's okay to protect them. Remember, it's not only one day. This is the first day. Still join us on the second day. Second day vaccination extracts are different herbs. You can see this is day 2. Day 2 is not yet. You can see the color of the day 2 is different because it is made up of different herbs, different extracts. This is day 2. Day 2 will be tomorrow. This is day 1. This one has no, after drinking, they will come back and still continue drinking. Just serve them food. It doesn't have any waste. You don't need to throw away anything. It doesn't have time limit. Only make sure they are starved of water so that they can rush it. After rushing it, they will still come back and drink it. Make sure they finish drinking it. Don't throw anything away, please. Don't pour anything away like the synthetic type. After some hours, you need to pour them away and wash your can. This one, don't need to pour anything away because this is purely organic. Some of them have gone to eat now. The vaccine is our own. We made the vaccine. The food they are eating is our own food also. It's our own food, you can see. It's our own food also. We don't use commercial feed here. We don't use commercial medications. Thank you for watching this video. Please share this video to reach more poultry farmers. Share it to your links, share it to your groups, and make sure you join our channel community membership so that you'll be a beneficial member of this particular channel and help us to grow the channel while we help you to grow your business. Thank you for watching till day 2. Join us in day 2 also. Day 2 is still loading. You can see day 2 vaccine still loading. And day 3 and day 4. Remember, we have day 2, day 3, and day 4. This is 4 days organic vaccination protocols. Thank you for watching. Share the video. Subscribe if you're not subscribed to the channel. Till the next video is uploaded. Bye for now.